Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating groups in Mailchimp, which is a great way to organize your audience and send more targeted emails. To get started, log into your Mailchimp account and head to the Audience section on the left side of your dashboard. Once you're there, open the More Options drop-down menu and select Groups. On the Groups page, click the option to create a new group. You'll then be able to choose how subscribers interact with your group selections, whether through checkboxes, radio buttons, a drop-down menu, or by hiding the options on the sign-up form entirely. After that, create a group category name that reflects the theme or purpose of your groups, such as interests or preferences. Add the specific group options under that category, and once everything is set, click Create Group. With your groups now created, it's time to add contacts to them. Go back to the Audience tab and select the contacts you want to categorize. Click Actions, choose Add to Groups, and assign each selected contact to the appropriate group. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created and organized groups in Mailchimp. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stick around for more helpful tutorials.